Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable Ultra Battery Saver on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, in order to actually locate and be able to enable it, first we want to go into our settings. Here we scroll a little bit until we find battery. And in here we have power saving. Now we don't want to enable it because when we do enable it and we click it, you can see that maximum power saving is grayed out and I cannot actually toggle it on. So first we want to disable power saving, and only now you can click maximum power saving. That will do, so only a few selected apps, I believe 8 of them, will work and all of the other apps won't work. And basically what this does is turn everything else off except those things that are essential. So now if you activate our power saving mode, you can see that we have, well, almost nothing here. We only have our basic phone, messages and gallery. And as you can see, we only have, we can actually add apps here. But these apps here shouldn't be able to work in the background unless we add them manually. And in order to actually leave this mode, we can go to settings and go back to our battery and simply disable power saving, or we can click those 3 dots here and click turn off power saving. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.